Today I'm gonna be making a video. It's a little bit after hours, but hey, got to my storage unit before it closed. And you're putting a camper cover on this 2014 Rockwood. Let's see what the exact number is here. A122TH. TH is for toy hauler. It's by Forest River. It is a Rockwood Premier. I think one of the hang-ups I had was that this tire that is a mount in there, so I had to get something that went past the tire over, so go around the bumper. So let's get that package. I'll put the link. I bought it off Amazon. I think I paid $115 for it, but we'll do a little unboxing and slap it on. Well, here it is. There's all the stuff. Zippered access, storage bag, air vents, heavy duty. I'm gonna think it's kind of like one of those fabric. No, it's Model 3 gray camping trailers. It's 15 feet by 7 feet, 4 inches wide, 6 inches high. There's the barcode for it. You ever heard of frog togs? I'm guessing that's what the fabric's gonna be like. I've used them a few times, and every time I get hooked on something, they rip right open. So hopefully this is better than that. It's supposed to be like 7 layers. I'll put the Amazon link and some pictures in the video and in the comments description area. Well, this is what you get. It's got a drawstring bag. It's got some destructions. Oh, get away from me. So warnings, install in your RV. Tonight I'm just trying to see if it fits, so I don't have to return it. That's that. So I'll get it unbagged. It comes in plastic. I'll get it out of that and we'll give it a dry fit. So it came with this little card here. Hello, thank you for your order. Umbrauto. This bag with straps. Looks like some more radium material. I can deal with that today. There's a bag. I'm gonna cut that open. So it comes packaged nice and cute with a nice little bow tie. You have to undo that. Let's see if this pulls. It pulled. Let's give her a tug. Get this little strap. Set that aside. I have to roll that out and throw it over the top. I'd say, yeah, it definitely fits my camper. Look at, there's a reflector on it. The straps. So you can get it underneath. So it must be for this being I can't remember the size of my camper, but I think it was 13.5 feet or some odd length. Yeah, it definitely covers all the way down the sides, which is nice. Pretty nice fabric. It's a little nicer than the frog togs. But because I have a spare tire and a bumper, I don't know that I'm going to put it on the bumper because I feel like the wind's going to rip it. Probably go under the spare tire and under the camper. Try to get this corner closer to this corner so it doesn't rip there too, or maybe put something cardboard or rubber right here. Like that'll rip the corners. Not so much the front one. This one's a little more sharp. But yeah, I really like it. For $100, can't go wrong. The overall length of this trailer is 23 feet. This is a 24-foot unit by 10 foot. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. Good solution. This thing's going outside. Put all the dryer sheets and rat poison and baits and traps all over inside of it. That's what's gonna happen next. If you own one of these, take your ramps off. Probably get stolen. Take your propane off if you can, or your battery box. Whatever people can steal. That's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Again, this is made by that Umbrauto. An umbrella auto. Pretty cool. I like it. Thanks. Alright, so I got the 2 5/16 ball on. Battery bolted on. See how it must be rich with a 1/2-inch wrench here for myself, Craftsman, for later. Put the cover on, strapped on. It's taken care of. Get the, whatever you call that thing, Umbrauto camper cover off and tucked away. Pull it out, jack it up, get all this stuff inside. You gotta put the ramps inside, the bin, cover box, all the fun stuff, and try out the new locks that I got. Put the new latches on. Alright, so I got it out of there. Jacks up. Take the cover off. Put this on. Little latch flaps. Wherever it is. Here. This guy. Fix those. Get at it. Well, I made it to the cabin. Park this here for now. Got a bit of snow. Clean a spot out for it in the spring. Get it leveled. Get tarp covered, locked up, and put away. So part of this process to get this covered was to get it level and a little higher up in the front. I don't know if it's going to stay this way, but right now it's perfectly level from left to right. And then from front back, come on the front up just a little bit. It looks like I nailed it. Got lucky because I already took the battery off. So next, I get the cover on. Get some straps wrapped around it. Alright, so I got the Umbrauto cover on. It came with 2 4 short straps and 2 long straps and a strap that was already on there. And a little baggie. A little bag inside, 2 extra straps. So, word of the caution, you need to put the straps underneath. Do not pull too tight. My grommet ripped right out on the first try, so I use a toe strap to get it to work. And for this trailer, there's some extra fabric in the back. It came with some extra pads. You can, it has same type of fabric as this part here, not this. And it has some backing on it, and you can rip the sheathing off, and it's glue on one side. I didn't glue it, but I put it in the corners here because it's a little sharper here. My license plate's right here, so it's a little sharp here too. And as well as this bottom corner, it's a little sharp. But that's not any pressure on it. But there's a grommet here, tie down. See that one there on both sides. And at the bottom center, underneath here, it says front. So the Umbrauto was in the front. And this is already on here. And then I ran this around the whole outside. I put 2 together. As you can see, just as a little extra. Who knows? If it gets really windy, maybe it'll start flapping. So this part of my project is pretty much done. Just have to see how it goes. This back end, I was thinking about leaving some plywood or 2x4s or something up against it. Not quite sure. Let's see how well it holds up. May rip. And need a pole building at some point to get this in out of the weather. But as you can see, it was $107. I don't remember. That was a month ago. It should last pretty good. I think if worst comes to worst, I can put some. I have domes right here. Some boards on top, but they might rip as well. But for now, I'm just gonna leave these inside that box and call it good. This strap ended up being where my doorstep is. I don't like that. But yeah, don't pull too tight. Just taut. That's more than enough, because it will rip. And that's it on this project for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's probably the very first beautiful day here in Minnesota in quite a while. As you can see, we got a lot of snow yet. See my feet, unless I show you. Yeah, there's a lot. Man, it says 13 feet. These are big. A lot of snow. I'll be gone in a day or two. All right, thanks.